What's up, everybody? Thanks so much for tuning in to this week's episode of The JT Show. So today what I want to talk with you about is clean it up and clear it out. And what I'm referring to is the relationships you have in your life. So do you ever have a situation where an event happens, you don't like what the situation was with another person and the situation. And so instead of speaking your truth and communicating how you feel about it and standing in your truth, you bottle it up and you store that energy. And I want to ask you, what's the benefit you get by doing that and not speaking? It's likely because you think you're going to stay safe. Because if I speak my truth to this person, they might get upset, they might get offended, they might lash out at me, they might physically harm me, whatever the case is. And ladies and gentlemen, I will tell you, your fear of not speaking up is causing you even more damage. Because when you store and you harbor those emotions, those lower survival emotions, man, it does such damage not only to your psyche, but to your body. There's no separation between your emotions and your biology. And so, ladies and gentlemen, I would urge you to speak your truth. And here's what gets worse if you don't speak your truth. Situation happens, you don't say anything. You're in resistance to that person and that situation. And as that grows and builds and festers, you become resentful. And if that goes left unchecked, left undone, left uncleared up, it leads to revenge. Now, you may not take revenge out on the person, but you'll take it out on yourself. Binge eating, all kinds of negative toxic behavior, right? So, on the first onset of that situation, as soon as you're in resistance, that is the time to speak. Now, that is going to take some practice, make no mistake about it. So I would encourage you that if you have any of those situations going on right now where you haven't spoken up, go clear it up with that person and clean that out. Get rid of that stored, stuck energy. Now, be responsible for your communication. This isn't an opportunity or permission to lash out, condemn, make wrong. It's just simply saying, this is how I feel about the situation. It's a chance for you to discharge that information. What's more is that person may not even be aware of what they did. They could be totally unconscious to it. And so you speaking your truth is a form of feedback. Because if you don't speak your truth and that person is unaware of how you feel about it, aren't you then enabling them to continue that behavior? And so are you then looking to be a victim, or do you want to be responsible and educate this person, give them feedback? Hey, did you know? Are you aware? Right? So the behavior can stop. And if it doesn't stop, because it is intentional, now you know where the relationship sits. So I would encourage you, go clean up and clear out that stored, stuck energy to get the feedback to the other person and to give to you to let it all go. And this is with your bestie, this is with your honey, this is with your colleagues, this is with your kids, this is with everybody that you have a relationship with. And I guarantee you're going to feel so much better letting all that out instead of holding on to it. Don't be attached to the outcome of the conversation. You're simply doing it to clean up, clear out that energy, and give that person feedback. You'll be so thankful you did. So, I hope this video brought some value to you today. And remember, as I end every JT show with, who you surround yourself with matters. Do you surround yourself with people that on the early onset of resistance speak their truth calmly, responsibly, to give constructive feedback and clear up that energy? Or are you hanging around a bunch of people that just like to keep their mouth shut and sweep it under the rug, so to speak, and let that stuff grow, build, and fester until they trip over it and discharge that information, usually displaced aggression on other people? So, thanks so much for watching. Make it a great day.